Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the Yaris to ACC or on so the infotainment system is active. This is required for Bluetooth menus to appear. Next, enable Bluetooth on your phone and leave it discoverable. This lets the car find the device. Once done, go to the car's home or setup screen and open Bluetooth or phone settings. Make sure your phone's name is visible and any existing connections are disconnected, because a free pairing slot simplifies the process and avoids conflicts. After accessing Bluetooth and choosing Add Device, the Yaris will scan and list nearby devices. Select your phone's name from that list. Your phone will show a pairing request and usually a 6-digit PIN or passkey. Check that the number on the car display matches the phone, because mismatched PINs block pairing. Tap Accept or Pair on the phone and confirm on the car when prompted. Once confirmed, the systems exchange credentials and set up services like phone, audio, and contacts sync. When pairing finishes, select which services to enable: phone calls, media audio, and contact sharing, because that controls call display and music playback. If the connection fails, immediately remove any old Toyota or Yaris entries from your phone's Bluetooth list and clear paired devices in the car to eliminate conflicts. Then redo the pairing. If problems persist, restart both phone and the car's infotainment system and check for software updates on your phone and Toyota system, since firmware mismatches often cause repeated failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.